In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen and share files in Zoom. Whether you're working from home, attending a virtual class, or collaborating with a team, mastering these features can enhance your online communication and make your meetings more effective. Let's start by joining or starting a Zoom meeting. You can do this from your desktop app or the Zoom webpage. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the Zoom window. You'll see a series of icons. Find the Share Screen button, which is a bright green icon and easy to spot. Clicking it will open up a new window where you can choose what you want to share. Here, you have options. You can share your entire screen, a specific application window, or a file. Sharing your entire screen is great for walkthroughs or presentations where multiple elements need to be shown. If you prefer to keep some things private, sharing a specific window is the way to go. You can also choose to share files directly, which is handy for presenting PowerPoint slides or PDFs. After you've identified what you want to share, simply click Share. This action will broadcast your selected content to everyone in the meeting. You might notice a small toolbar appear on your screen, giving you some control over the shared content. Don't worry, this toolbar is for your eyes only and won't be visible to others. Now, let's talk about sharing files via the chat during a meeting. This feature is especially useful when you need to distribute documents for collaborative editing or extra resources. To do this, look again at the bottom of the Zoom meeting window for the chat icon and click it. Once the chat window is open, find and click on the file icon that appears as a paperclip within the chat. This action will bring up a menu of storage location options such as your computer, Google Drive, or OneDrive. Where you choose the file depends on where it's saved. If it's on your computer, navigate through the File Explorer to locate it. If it's stored on Google Drive or OneDrive, you'll need to sign in to allow Zoom to access your files. Once you've located your file, click on it and hit Send. This action will upload your file to the chat, making it instantly available for everyone in the Zoom meeting to download or view. With these simple steps, you'll be sharing screens and distributing files like a pro in no time. Zoom is a versatile tool, and becoming comfortable with screen sharing and file sharing unlocks its full potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.